Hello, my name is Akirito and today we're going to learn how to play Over the Rainbow Jake Shimabukuro version. Note that this is not the exact copy of it, but it is close enough, I believe. This song contains a lot of strange chords you've never encountered, but I will try my best to make it clear and easy. Before we jump into the lesson, let's have a look at what you're going to learn today. First, let's learn how to pick your ukulele. Place your thumb on the top string, pointer finger should be on the third string, middle finger second string, ring finger on the first string. By placing the fingers like this, you will have a full control over the strings. I mean, if you want to play the third string, simply bend your pointer finger. Like this. It is called picking. I will use picking a lot in this lesson, so please remember this finger position. Also, I'm going to use classic up and down, so please prepare for that too. I divided the song into 10 sections so that they will be more comprehensible. Now let us begin the first section. Section 1. Okay, section 1. Section 1 goes like this. So let's play up to here. Like this. Firstly, left hand. Left hand should be like this. Pointer finger here, middle finger here, ring finger here. Alright? Like this. And with your right hand, you're going to do the picking. Picking pattern would be second string, third string, first string, and third string. I will show you. Second string and third string, first string and third string. You're going to do it 4 times. Like this. But for the first, second string, you will play middle 2 string instead. So it will go like this. It will be go like this. Can you play it? Next will be like this. Yeah? The first, let's take a look at the left hand. Move this finger to this fret. So pointer finger here, middle finger still here, and the ring finger here. Alright? And play the same thing. Second string, third string, first string, third string. Twice, alright? Then it will be like this. Place your pinky here and play third, second, first really fast. And move this pinky to this fret, 7th fret, and play the same thing. Third, second, first. Like this. So that's the section 1, and you do this twice, alright? Now, let's play the song really slowly, shall we? Alright, place your left hand properly, and let's get started. Again. Alright, that will be section 1. Section 2 goes like this. So let's play up to here. Like this. Just 2 chords. The first chord will be like this. Pointer finger here and play down, up. Then move to this chord. Bar, the 5th fret, and put the ring finger on the top string of the 7th fret, and put the pinky on the 8th fret, 1st string. Like this. And down, up. Then, like this. First, play this chord. This chord. This chord is a little bit hard, but let's try. Pointer finger here, middle finger here, ring finger here, pinky here. So, you will like this, and play downwards, and then, like this. So, this chord is bar the 2nd fret, and put the middle finger on the bottom 2 strings of the 3rd fret, and ring finger should be on the 4th fret, 3rd string, and put the pinky on the 5th fret and play the 1st string, and slide them to 7th fret, and then play this chord. Yes, bar the 8th fret, and put this ring finger on the 10th fret, 3rd string. And then let's play up to here. Like this. So first, this chord. Pointer finger here, middle finger here, and ring finger here. And down, up. Then, play this chord. Pointer finger here, middle finger here, ring finger here, and pinky here. It's a little bit complicated. Like this. Alright? And down, up. And then move on. Like this. So, this chord is the same thing to the previous one. Bar the 2nd fret, put this middle finger on the 3rd fret, bottom 2 string, and put this ring finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string. Down, up, and play 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string. Then, this finger will be like this. So instead of playing the bottom 2 string, just play the bottom string, right? And down, up, down. Okay? That will be the section 2. Let's play it slowly together, shall we? Right? Then like that. Let's move on to the section 3. Section 3 goes like this. Let's play up to here. Like this. First chord is this. Here, here, here. And down, up. And then play like this. Pointer finger on the first fret, bottom 3 strings, alright? And play downwards. Put this ring finger on the 3rd fret, 3rd string. And downwards. And then move on like this. Like this. Play this chord. Pointer finger here and down. And right hand will be picking position. And play 2nd string. And put this ring finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, and play the 2nd string again. And then it will go like this. So this chord. You will make the G chord shape here, alright? Pointer finger here, middle finger here, ring finger here. And play top 3 strings. And then play this chord. So the way you do this is bar the 5th fret and place your middle finger on the middle 2 string of the 6th fret. It sounds hard, but you don't care about this first string because you won't play it. So just play the top 3 strings. And then it will go like this. This chord, alright? Pointer finger here, middle finger here, and ring finger here. It's a little bit really weird chord, but let's play, shall we? And right hand will be picking position. And play the 2nd string and put the finger here and play the 2nd string, and then next chord will be like this. Pointer finger here, middle finger here, and ring finger here, and play top 3 strings and upwards, and play this chord like this. So pointer finger here and play down, up, down, and then play like this. The way you do is bar the 3rd fret and put the middle finger on the 4th fret, middle 2 strings, and down, up, down, like this. This is a little bit hard, but you should practice on this. If you touch the 1st string with your middle finger, it will sound a little bit weird, so just practice until you can get it right. Alright? If you find it hard to play it, then maybe you can play like this as well. Pointer finger here, middle finger here, ring finger here, pinky here. And that will do the same thing. Anyway, let's play slowly, shall we? Okay, that will be section 3.